What's up guys, and welcome one more time here to my channel. I'm CryptoB, and today I'm gonna bring a very nice video for you. Have you ever thought of getting a job in the metaverse or working with projects on the Web3? Stay to the end of the video so you can get some nice information in how to grab a job in the metaverse. But before that, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family here. Like this, you help my channel to grow and you help YouTube to understand that you like my content, and so YouTube can promote my video to other people as well. And of course, you inspire me to create more and more content just for you. With no further ado, let's go to the video. How to get a job in the metaverse and Web3. To land a job in the metaverse and Web3, possess the right skills, interact and network with people, build your brand, create content, and increase your exposure in the crypto market. Can you work in the metaverse? The metaverse is the next big career path on which to land an ideal job with firms like Meta, Roblox, Microsoft, OpenSea, The Sandbox, and many others constructing it. So, if you want to know how to land a job in the metaverse, you need to be aware your role may look like. Essentially, your job will involve a combination of blockchain, artificial intelligence, 5G, gaming, and other Web3 technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality. Build the required skills set. The first step towards exploring jobs in the metaverse is to gain the required skills and knowledge. For instance, a 3D character artist developing avatar will need to know Blender, Maya, Cinema 4D, and have some expertise in creating skins and gaming. Most metaverse jobs, like those involving engineering-related work, requires a competitive skill set such as knowledge of Node.js, JavaScript, application programming interface, API, integration, and React. You can build the above skills by applying to a university that offers metaverse-related course or learning at no cost or through financial aid on platforms like Coursera and edX. Networking with like-minded people is essential for landing entry-level metaverse jobs or internship. You can find out about local metaverse events on meetups.com. Additionally, you can meet participants in hackathons such as those hosted by MIT Reality Hack. Build your brand, improve visibility, and earn money in the metaverse. After acquiring the desired skill sets, start building your brand and ensure that your portfolio is up to date. Look for jobs opportunities in the metaverse at themetaversejobs.com. To get noticed in the metaverse, start writing in-depth thoughtful pieces on the metaverse and get them published on platforms like Cointelegraph, Forbes, or renowned publication in your jurisdiction. It's vital to note that writing for renowned publication means that they will accept the bylines as guest posts and there is no monetary reward involved. So, how to make money with the metaverse? There are plenty of other ways to make money in the metaverse. For instance, play to earn games like Axie Infinite allow gamers to earn Smooth Love Potion or SLP token by battling monsters or other players. Players can also sell the NFTs to earn a profit. Hosting metaverse events is another way to make money in virtual world. For instance, massive crowds can be attracted to live performances by well-known musicians, and organizers might charge users in the form of paid tickets. Many architects and designers are developing 3D representations of buildings due to the rush of brands and companies aiming for a metaverse presence. Therefore, you can become a metaverse architect or designer to earn money. What are the jobs opportunities in the metaverse and Web3? Jobs in the crypto industry involve remote Web3, metaverse, and NFT jobs, to name a few. You can explore and also can find out Web3 developers or metaverse job salary range in particular. If you want to understand how to get a job Web3, be aware that most jobs in crypto requires standard job requirements wants to land a career in the crypto industry, a passion for crypto NFTs or Web3, communication ability that are both written and vocal are essential, familiarity with the Discord, Twitter, Telegram, social media communities, a genuine desire to engage in dialogue with the rest of the Web3 communities, being a self-motivated, detail-oriented, and critical thinker, and a problem solver individual. So these are some of the requirements in order for you to grab an opportunity for you. The most requirement jobs title in the metaverse and Web3 space include NFTs, social media and community manager, content writers and editor, blockchain developers, front-end and back-end engineer, media reporters, growth marketing managers, project managers, and gamification strategists. Additionally, many scholarships are available for women in Web3, like the Girl with Secret GWS program. The GWS scholarship program offers free education section, podcast, and the opportunity to participate in hackathons. Alternatively, go to cryptocurrencyjob.co to search and apply for jobs in the blockchain space. It's again reiterated that to land a job in Web3 or any other crypto job, you need to make yourself visible by participating in community forums, industry-led events, and hackathons. Opportunities are huge in the Web3 space, but blockchain enthusiasts should stay up to date on industry requirements and apply for metaverse internship or NFT job as soon as possible. What are the various ways to apply for a job in the metaverse and Web3? While there are still a few roadblocks to overcome before we reach a point where the virtual job market is brimming with opportunities, the metaverse is expected to evolve gradually and rather effortless. The more people who use the internet becomes accustomed to the deeper integration of technology in their lives, the more opportunity will open up. Similar to how the internet emerged gradually, Web3 developer would most likely be transitional with increased access to creative jobs as technology and culture progress. In hindsight, being an early adopter, it's simple. However, various risks include lost opportunities in time, money, and attention. Keeping up with the latest developments in the crypto space, such as news, application, or protocols, is costly and time-consuming. Despite this, the benefits of participating in the Web3 space, such as competitive salary and further learning opportunities, outweigh these cons. Here are the various ways to become immersed in the metaverse and Web3 world, as explained below. Become an intern and find a crypto buddy. Interning is the quickest way to see if you enjoy a particular field. If you are a student and N-level and have the opportunity to intern, this is probably the best option, as you will learn about the Web3 space while getting some hands-on experience. Additionally, find a person that shared your passion and collaborate with them on ways of the crypto-related themes. Learning from your peers is a great way to clear your doubts, develop confidence, become innovative, and stay informed of the opportunities available in the crypto land. Participate in free mentorship programs. To land a career in the Web3 space, you may want to begin by developing or polishing your skills by participating in the 18 weeks DLT Talents program by the Frankfurt School Blockchain Center. Another program called the Define Talents prepares participants for a career in the decentralized finance DeFi space. Through such programs, you will get access to various job opportunities available in the metaverse and Web3 field. Additionally, you can stay abreast of the industry development and take the required action on time. Participate in the crypto community and join a DAO. Furthermore, Web3 is all about the community, and decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, are the most trendy community-owned type of business model in the crypto space. Community-focused DAOs encourage automation, which relies humans of tedious and unpleasant chores, mostly linked to bureaucracy, while promoting speedy decisions making. This technology allows groups of people to enter these virtual environments with low-cost devices, hang around, and form communities. Within these communities, hiring managers can find enthusiastic talents, or job seekers can apply for vacant positions. Therefore, join a DAO or participate in the Discord community of other DeFi projects to be aware of jobs opportunities available in the crypto space. Many DAOs, such as Sushi, IndexCoop, Rarible, and Earn, include distinct working group for various people, developing experience and demonstrating that you can bring value to a protocol in a DAO is an excellent method to gain experience, improve your visibility, and build a portfolio while also potentially being compensated by the DAO for your contribution. Well, stay active on crypto Twitter and apply for partners program. Moreover, various companies need help with technology consulting, product development, or admin work. To find out what those organizations are, stay active on Twitter. Participants and individuals who ask pertinent questions are valued on the crypto Twitter. As crypto enthusiasts, you should. Various ways to stay active on Twitter: maintain consistency and creativity, or at the very least, put your own take on trending topics. Organize brilliant threads or a specific topic of summarize long ones. Compile a list of network events or podcasts that had received a lot of attention. Make Twitter space for your preferred topic on a weekly basis. These are some of the tips for you to be more active on Twitter. Crypto Twitter often highlights jobs opportunities, recent trends in crypto, tips and tricks to get higher in the Web3, which can help you land a career in the metaverse. Also, staying active on crypto Twitter and give back to the community will open more opportunities for you. Additionally, apply to become a partner with the leading companies in the blockchain space. For instance, Algorand has an expanding network of collaborators or partners who are powering every aspect of the blockchain ecosystem. Alternatively, you should register with your favorite companies like Microsoft or Meta for jobs alert to stay tuned for upcoming job vacancies in the Web3 space. Choose your interest in getting involved. You can begin seeking work after you have a good idea of which skill sets you can bring in, and discovering those fantastic possibilities began with identifying the specific area of Web3 in which you are most passionate. Furthermore, to get involved in the crypto space, stay active on crypto Twitters, participate in Discord communities, or join a DAO, as I just explained. In your free time, becomes helpful and valuable member, improves your visibility, and helps you to land a desired job in decentralized world. There you go, guys. This is some of the ways you can get a job in the crypto space, in the Web3, and also in the metaverse. What do you think about those tips? I hope you guys like it. If you're looking for a job, good luck to you, and I hope you get a fantastic job that you can earn a lot of money and you can exponentially multiply those gains by investing in your favorite project. Again, not financial advice here, but bringing to you as much information as I can within the Web3 and crypto space, so you can become more knowledgeable and take much better decisions when those times come. YouTube will leave 1 or 2 videos here for you guys that I hope will bring to you a lot of insights. On the way out, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.